Hey, what's up y'all? Anthony Clune here, coming at you from Brooklyn, New York. RydeSafe is excited to offer, while supplies last, a half-pound bag of reflective tape. Here's the deal. We've been saving offcuts from our production process of our reflective stickers for years now. Along the way, we've been bundling them up into these fun little spools of tape. So yeah, you always get 8 ounces of material. Often cases more. You see from the scale here, 9, 10 ounces. You never get less than 8 ounces. And so we did the math, and that equates to approximately 960 square inches of reflective tape. You might be asking, why a half pound? Well, weighing this stuff out was just the easiest way to portion out equal amounts of reflective tape into the individual kits, because what you're buying is quite literally a mixed bag. As you see, there's variety from kit to kit. Some of them have a mix of wide and thin bits of tape. Another one you might get one big fat roll of 2-inch wide reflective tape. So assuming you're cool with that element of chance, you end up getting like a major bang for your buck. You get a ton of reflective tape to have around the house for whatever you need, for your bike, for your stroller, for your helmet, for your shopping cart, for your kayak, for your motorcycle. This is a good product for you do-it-yourselfers out there in the internet. But yeah, that's about it. We can just watch this video together. This is kind of a casual vlog style chat. I'm gonna kind of narrate this video so you can understand what's going on. We're gonna do a little demo with this wonderful Livestrong helmet that I got for like 20 bucks at REI because nobody wanted it anymore. I had a buddy in town who needed a helmet. I always insist on wearing helmets. That's just how I am. And so what I'm doing is going around the helmet and just sort of hugging the actual natural curves of the industrial design objects. I mean, in this case, a helmet. It's just kind of a cool way to customize your gear. You know, pretty much any contour on a bike, on a helmet, on a rack, on a stroller. Here I have a little X-Acto knife to make sure that the edge is squared off nice and clean. And this is, you know, you can kind of see the outline of the helmet even though the lights are off. Oh, here we go. Here I am with the mask. We have another customization video where I show how to use our iron-on reflectives to make the mask. Turn off the lights. Boo, look at that cool Tron guy. That's all we got for this one, you guys. That's the story behind the half-pound bag o' tape. Thanks for watching. That's the dealio here. Hope it all makes sense. You can always email us your questions. Hope you have fun out there, and don't forget to ride safe. Peace.